morning! So, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo ngayon ay ang multiplying fractions. For example, 3/8 times 2/5. So, in multiplying fractions, we are going to multiply the numerator and multiply also the denominator. So, 3 times 2 is 6. And 8 times 5 is 40. So, simplify by dividing this by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 40 divided by 2 is 20. So, the answer is 3/20. Another example. 7 times 5/6. So, multiply the numerator, multiply also the denominator. 2 times 5 is 10. And 7 times 6 is 42. Simplify these fractions by dividing by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 42 divided by 2 is 21. So, the answer is 5/21. Great. Next, 5/8 times 9/10. 5 times 9 is 45. And 8 times 10 is 80. So, simplify this fraction by dividing by 5. So, 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 80 divided by 5 is 16. So, the answer is 9/16. Last one, 6/7 times 9/12. So, 6 times 9 is 54. And 7 times 12 is 84. So, simplify the dividing by 2. So, 54 divided by 2 is 27. And 84 divided by 2 is 42. So, 27/42. Masisimplify pa ba natin to? 27/42? Yes, masisimplify pa. By dividing by 3. Ano laman? Para malaman natin na ang number is divisible by 3, so we are going to add the digits. For example, 2 plus 7 is 9. And 4 plus 2 is 6. If the sum of the number is 3, 6, and 9, so that number is divisible by 3. So 9 and 6 are divisible by 3. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. And 42 divided by 3 is 14. So the answer is 9/14. Kaya na ba? Okay. Subukan nyo naman ito. 8/9 times 5/6. Alam kong kayang-kaya nyo to. Ang galing nyo kaya. So ito ang lesson natin ngayon. Sana may natutunan kayo. Muli, ito si Maestro Tadeo na nagsasabing mag-aral ng mabuti sa pagkakaroon ng magandang kinabukasan. Iyan ang susi. Maraming salamat. Ingat kayong lahat.